Hello Masterpix family. So the time has come for the boys of photography to be the men of photography, because I'm exclusively announcing to the members of this group a 7-day photography workshop titled Flash Photography and Studio Lighting Setup. So the question is, are you ready? For all those inquisitive minds, let me just tell you what all this 7-day workshop has in store for you. It's a very interesting workshop. Okay, 5 days would be online from your respective locations. In 2 days, I would be hosting you live at my studio in Mumbai. So are you excited? So in this flash photography and studio lighting setup, I would be teaching you why you should not use the pop-up flash of your camera and use a external flash. Not only that, why it is important to take away the external flash away from the camera body and trigger it with the help of radio triggers and receivers. What creative freedom does this particular off-camera flash setup has for a photographer? I will teach you how to set up your home studio at a budget, and by using flashlights and strobes, click amazing portraits in-house, professional looking portraits for which people will be ready to pay money. Then I will be inviting you for 2 days at my studio in Mumbai, where we will be doing live shoots with professional models, professional makeup artists and designer dresses. Right, that is what I have lined up. So it's going to be a weekend setup. First day, there would be 2 sessions. The first half would be bridal and the second half would be western. Right, so exclusively you will be shooting professional models, because you already done the study through online medium. Those 2 days are exclusively photo shoots. Okay, so you will be actually setting up the lights, okay, handling your cameras, setting up the receivers and triggers. Everything up will be left to you. Okay, of course I will be there to assist you, right? And then on day 2, with a professional model, we will be shooting outdoors in bright sunny conditions, and I will be teaching you the concept of HSS, high speed sync. With the help of high speed sync, we will be shooting with lights, flashes in broad daylight, right, to give that amazing contrast of the background and the lit subject. So this is how the 7-day program has been designed exclusively for members of this group, and I hope you take advantage of this particular program, right? Do check out the dates, and I would expect your confirmation at the earliest to make the necessary arrangements, right? Needless to say, I'm just a phone call away if you want to talk to me and get greater details. Thank you and good night, and see you in Mumbai shortly. Happy clicking.